Hey guys, ECRG here, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about one skill that they do not teach you in school. Hey guys, ECRG here, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about one skill they do not teach you in school. Now, there are probably a lot of skills that they don't teach you in school, as we're coming to find out more and more in 2018, 2019, 2020. But one especially that you're going to need in clinical research, and probably in most of your guys' fields in general, is simply customer service. Now, this isn't a groundbreaking skill, but this is something that is so important, especially to people that spend a lot of time on the phone, face-to-face meetings, email, instant message. But when I say customer service, I'm talking about all of these arenas here that you've got to be good at. You've got to be able to write emails. You've got to be able to instant message. You've got to be able to talk on the phone very well. So I know a lot of people in all different facets of the business or in business, you're going to be on the phone, especially in clinical research. If you're in study startup, you're going to be on the phone talking to sites. If you're in clinical operations, you're a CRA, a CMA, an in-house CRA, even a CTA, clinical trial assistant. You're going to be on the phone talking with sites. And, if you're on the project management side, you're going to be on the phone talking with the sponsor every single week. You're going to be talking to your study team every single week. There's meetings. Project managers need customer service. Pretty much everyone needs customer service. Then when you get up to the executive level, you're going to need great customer service. You're going to be giving presentations. You're going to be going to conferences, meeting people, might be going to kickoff meetings, investigator meetings, all type of conferences and meetings. So you need to develop this skill from an early age, customer service. And this is something that you can develop no matter at what stage of your life you're in. If you're in college, you can go to go away programs where you get familiar, interacting with different people, building rapport with new people. Because if you're not good at that, you're going to have a hard time struggling. You could be the smartest person in the room, know everything about everything. But if you don't have good customer service skills, that interpersonal skills, the ability to make people feel comfortable and give you the information, and the ability to ask questions, feel comfortable asking questions, ask hard questions over and over again, you're going to be not very successful in a lot of different roles, especially in clinical research, because patients' lives are at risk here. So customer service is a huge skill. And I'm sure as you guys are thinking about this, you're like, wow, I guess that is customer service. And it's a huge shock for a lot of people because they aren't familiar with talking to new people that way. They aren't familiar with making new friends and really developing relationships with people. And it's really a shame. And you can do a lot of things to get better at it. Just expose yourself to more and more things, or you can learn on the job, make sure you get internships, etc. And people with bad customer service skills, you get found out real quick. People find that out real quick. They don't enjoy working with you. It's always a drag on their day to work with you. You bring down the morale of a team. And, there are just a lot of negatives for having bad customer service skills. So I think this is a huge skill. And I don't know how schools could really teach this. I'm not really a teacher per se. So that's up to them to find out. But I'm just saying this is one skill that we use a lot in clinical research, customer service. And, because you're dealing with customers and clients at all angles, like I said before, if you're on the project management side of things, you're dealing with the customer who's paying the sponsor. If you're on the clinical operations side of things, and you're dealing with the site personnel, and you've got to interact with them smoothly and nicely, and you've got to be easy to work with, easy to get along with, in order to be successful in clinical research. And I'm sure in a lot of other businesses as well. So especially if you're in sales, you gotta have great customer service. And this is something we always talk about with companies, airlines, we want flight attendants to have great customer service. We want the customer service representatives, when you call up on the phone, to have great customer service. Well, look inside yourself and see if you have great customer service skills, because there are times for sure when you're going to be using it. It's not just for customer service representatives and people of that sort. It's for everybody. Everybody has a customer, and you've got to be able to talk to them in an efficient and smooth manner, especially as we move more towards voice. Like, you guys are probably listening to this video and, just hearing and sending messages through voice and things of that nature in video. Got to have great customer service skills. So there are a bunch of other skills they probably don't teach you in school, but I just feel like in school they teach you a lot of stuff you don't need to know. And this is something that I personally use on the daily, pretty much all day, every day. And it's not given the proper attention it deserves. Instead, they want to teach stuff that you can just Google on the internet or things of that nature. And I'm not really making this video to bash on schools, but geez, I literally use that skill 8 hours a day, every day, 365. And it's something that, maybe there should be some training in the school system about, because it's that vital. And I'm sure you guys use it too, whether you realize it or not. So there we have it. One skill that they do not teach in school that you guys should continue to cultivate as you grow in your career. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like it, share it, subscribe it with all your friends. Hit that red subscribe button. Become a part of the notification squad by hitting that bell. As always, email us at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com for any inquiries you may have. Send in your resumes, guys. Would love to review your resume. We do offer a small charge for that service, but it is well worth it. You do not have to have your resume make a video. We do not have to make a video of your resume. You can do it just behind the scenes or whatever. But if you do want us to review it and share with other people, you're helping out lots of other people. A lot of people watch these videos, so you're helping out a lot of people if you do want it to be shown. We will delete all the personal information. We'll delete any identifying information, pretty much. All that will be there will be the meat of your resume, and we'll review it. And this is specifically for clinical research as well. I know a lot of people from other fields watch this channel specifically for clinical research, because that is our expertise. So don't want to have this video go on too long. Take care, guys.